Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that overall the market is very dull and sluggish. Okay, but we can see some movements on the chart of gold as of now. And yes, I would like to start by dealing with the chart of DXY first. Though market is not much following, gold is not much following the chart of DXY mostly, but yes, CPI is coming up today, so there will be sharp movements on dollar today, and if there is any sharp movement on dollar, then yes, at last we will get to see some sharp movements on gold because of the movement of dollar here. Okay, so you can see that yes, inflation rate is coming up. That will be very important for the day, so there will be some sharp movements on dollar. So if you look at the chart of DXY here, keep in mind that dollar is trading in a very narrow range right now. We have 95.75 on the upside, and we have 95 point around 30, okay, on the downside. This is the range right now. Okay, 95.75 on the upside and 95.30 on the downside. And the ultimate support, okay, the ultimate support is at 95.20 level, 2010 level. See, right now, before the news, we will see DXY mostly within this range only. And when the news will be coming out, if there is a heavy fall in the market, if the news is bad, then market will try to take support around 95.1020 level. Okay, if the news is very bad, if the inflation numbers are if the inflation numbers are very bad, then obviously DXY will break the support and go down. But otherwise, I think that there is a possibility for some time it will try to respect the support in case of a bad news. But if the news is good, then obviously DXY will break the resistance of 95.75. When it will be breaking the resistance, there will be pressure on gold as well, keep in mind, and ultimately it will be going up. There are multiple resistances in the market on DXY. The first resistance is around 96 level, the 200 moving average, and ultimately 96.20. So these are the resistances for DXY if the news comes out very well. But if the news is bad, 95.10 will be important level. If it breaks, there will be heavy selling on dollar, and we can see good buying on gold. But as of now, till the news comes out, we can see that DXY will be trading in a range only, tight range here. Clear? Now let's talk about gold. Overall, the important levels on gold has not changed. We still have, let me change the color. Okay, we still have 1850 to 54 at the top as the strongest resistance. Okay, this is the strongest resistance in the market. So if market sees some good buying, then you need to exit. Okay, if you have a buy position also, or if you take any buy position during the news, you need to exit around this level, because there will be some selling in this level, so better you need to exit. Okay, and if market goes up also, there is a possibility that market will be facing some selling pressure around this range. And yes, if you see good price rejection from above in this level, you can also take a sell position, okay, around 1850 to 1854 level. So this is your resistance level. And if market starts falling, if you see heavy falling in the market, then honestly speaking, right now we do not have any proper support. Okay, the proper support or the strongest support is 1790 level, and that is far away. That is far away, you can see. Okay, so if market comes down, something very bad happens to gold, then 1790 is the ultimate support. Otherwise, you have 1815. Okay, 1815 as another support for day trading purpose. Day trading purpose, if you see heavy falling in the market after the news, there is a possibility that market will try to bounce from 1850 level if gold comes down. And otherwise, if gold goes up, this is the resistance zone. There is a possibility of market reversing from here. But during this time, before the news, if you want to trade, okay, I am just talking about scalping, or for few minutes, if you want to take a trade, then yes, you can take a buy position for scalping above 1836 level. 1836 level, you can take a buy position, and you can take a sell position below this level of 1825. If market comes down, if market comes down and bounces from 1825 level, you can take a buy. If market breaks it, you can take a sell. If market crosses 1836, you can also take a buy position. Okay, these are for the scalping purpose. For scalping, 1836 is the buy if market breaks it. If market comes down and bounces from 1825 level, take a buy. If market breaks 1825 level, you can take a sell for scalping. Otherwise, 1850 is the resistance zone. You can take a sell position for bigger profit. If market comes down, then 1815 is also a support zone. Okay, so these are the levels. Too many levels. If you are confused right now, watch the video again. Sorry. Bye bye. Take care.